Welcome guys. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set who sees when you are online on WhatsApp. So let's go ahead and do that. Open your WhatsApp application. I'm already on the settings area. Click on the three-dotted icon, go over to settings and then scroll to privacy, and then you can notice where it says last seen and online. You click on that. Now you can now set who is going to see when you are online. You can either say nobody, or you can exclude a particular contact from seeing when you are online by choosing those contacts you do not want them to see when you are online, and then everybody else is going to see when you are online. Now also you can also set who can see when I'm online. Do not forget, this is actually who can see my last message. So you can also say same as last seen, which is same as this one, which means you are going to exclude the contact from here, also from seeing when you are online, and also the last time you we are online. Now if you want to know what that option actually means, now on chat you can notice it is not showing because I disabled that option. Usually it will show you if this person is online or not. So if you click, you'll be able to know if this person is online, but it's not showing. It's not showing here at all. Now that is because we disabled it on this device. So now if you disable this option, you are also not going to see when last they are online, but you can see this. You can see the timer displaying right here. This is actually the last time that a message was sent. So you are not going to see them the last time they were online, and also you are not going to see when the last were seen. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is and you have further questions, go ahead and ask on the comment section. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.